Good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Greg Majeski back with you here in the North Georgia Majeski Weather Studios with your Talking Live forecast update here on your November the 18th, 2025. Well, things not looking too bad across East Tennessee, North Georgia this afternoon. We do have some clouds rolling in, and a weak system may bring us a spotty shower overnight, but the big story is going to be the above normal temperatures we're expecting here for Wednesday and Thursday. Still tracking a little bit of rain for the weekend, and it looks like next week we're going to continue to stay mostly above normal before a cold front arrives. Looks like going into Thanksgiving Day itself. I'm going to show you the latest tracking on that here in just a second. Now, before we get rolling, if you're new here on the Talking Live Broadcast Channel Facebook page, please give us a like or follow. Or if you're watching on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future updates just like these. All right, let's go ahead and take a live look here in Chattanooga as we got some sunshine and some clouds starting to kind of move in here. Not looking bad for the rest of the afternoon, as well as up toward Lake Chattooga, looking at a beautiful sky-looking condition there. But you may notice the lake levels are getting a little low. We could use some rain in the area, but none really substantial coming at us here over the next few days. Looks like we're going to be fairly quiet out there. Local radar is quiet. We do have some fire burn advisories up for East Tennessee as well as North Georgia. No one necessarily burning because of the warm temperatures and low humidity. We are expecting some spotty showers tonight, but really not enough to really kind of hamper the dry conditions that are sitting across our area. Satellite picture showing us with some of the clouds moving in here across East Tennessee and starting to move in across North Georgia here for this afternoon, but otherwise not expecting much in the way of precipitation right now. And temperatures are warming up nicely. You're already seeing it at 70 degrees down there in Ellijay right now, and temperatures moving into the 70s here through Alabama with that southerly flow coming in with that warm front. And it's going to allow things to be kind of warm. Not only we're seeing the high pressure at the surface, but also in the upper levels of the atmosphere over the next couple of days. It's going to hamper any kind of rain activity. So as we look at our forecast here for tonight, looking pretty good. Just a few spotty showers here across East Tennessee, North Georgia. Not everybody will see it. It'll be pretty spotty, and the rain amounts will be pretty limited, so not going to expect a whole much in the way of activity there. Then we're going to turn our attention to next week. I'm just going to give you a snapshot here, look ahead, as we're looking at heading in toward Thanksgiving Day. This is Thanksgiving Day. I'm going to go ahead and go to this next one here. Take the name away there. There you go. And this is Thanksgiving morning. It looks like the trend here is that there's a front moving on through. You see that we may warm up in the low 60s, but you see that you notice the cool air kind of filtering on down. So we got a cold front coming in as it looks like it's tracking into Thanksgiving Day. So turning colder, still question marks on how cold it's going to be. Give you an idea, the overnight run was much colder than what this run's showing. So we're still kind of trying to nail down the exact timing of the front and how cold it's going to be. So stay tuned for some changes there. All right, so look at your forecast maps here over the next week as we look at, again, not looking too bad here. Overall, we do have some rain chances. We could use them, but not a whole lot. All right, so we'll back this up here. Going into your Wednesday, again, we got a little rain there. And then Wednesday afternoon, not looking bad. I mean, you got overnight a little bit, but not much going there. And then going into Thursday, Thursday's not looking bad. Friday will bring some rain chance. I think this is a little overdone. I'm going about maybe 50%. And predominantly looking like, I think, late Friday into Friday night, the way the timing is looking right now. That'll change a little bit. Maybe some lingering rain into Saturday. And then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday remain to be seen. They're putting a little green on there. I'm not really worried about any real major rain chances going into early next week. As we'll wait for that next system to kind of kick out. Again, going Wednesday and into Thursday right now with the rain chances coming in, which will eventually bring in some colder temperatures across the south. So here's our forecast here for Chattanooga. Again, maybe a few spotty overnight showers. Partly sunny to mostly sunny, kind of depending on where you're at tomorrow. 76 and 58. That is way above normal. Normal high is supposed to be in the low 60s, so we're running almost 15 degrees above normal. Overnight lows, again, so a few spotty showers, much milder than what we saw this morning. Everybody here generally in the 50s for overnight lows. Daytime highs, everybody well into the 70s, including even the mountain locations, just to give you an idea how warm it's going to be. A west wind at 5. Regionally looking like this, 79 in Birmingham, 82 in Jackson, 77 in Destin, 80 in Savannah. Everybody across the southeast dealing with above normal temperatures going in for Wednesday and Thursday both. The next 7 days, here we go, as we're looking at a pair of 76s here for Wednesday and Thursday, 73 and 74 there on Friday and Saturday. Again, best rain chance right now looks like Friday night-ish time frame, and then 69, 53 on Sunday, Monday 68, 48, 66, 52 on Tuesday. Again, well, depending on the timing of that next front, that'll cool us down right now. Looks like Thanksgiving Day is when the colder temperatures will be arriving, at least getting back closer to seasonal levels. If not, maybe a little below normal. Just got to wait and see until we get a little bit closer to the models to kind of fine tune it. Get inside that 7-day window. Anytime I do a forecast, anything beyond 7 days is a extrapolation kind of tracking mechanism. Inside 7 days, we can start fine tuning our forecast a little bit. Again, appreciate you guys checking us out here on the Talking Live broadcast channel. Please give us a like and follow here on Facebook and on YouTube. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future updates. All right, that's y'all's update for today. Y'all be good, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day.